I've been creating content for myself and my clients for over a decade, and this is the fastest method that I found to get it all done. I create a lot of content. We're talking blogs, emails, checklists, lead magnets, videos, scripts, and here's the truth. The fastest way to get it done is not by typing, it's talking. I like to open up ChatGPT or just Google Docs, turn on the voice dictate feature, and just start talking. Brain dump it out. No editing, no filter, just brain dumping everything I want to say in whatever content piece I decide to create. But here's where it gets really powerful. Don't just drop your transcript into ChatGPT and say, make me a blog. Instead, give it specific instructions like the following. I want you to help me write a blog post about the thing I'm about to share with you. But before you do that, ask me any questions that you need for context or additional details. Ask me one question at a time, let me answer, and then you can move to the next. Once you have all the information you need, go ahead and write the blog. This way, ChatGPT is working with your words, your ideas, and your perspective, and the final draft will sound a lot more like you, just cleaned up and polished. So, if you're overwhelmed by content creation, stop forcing yourself to stare at a blank screen and type everything from scratch. Talk it out. Have a conversation with the AI and let it do the heavy lifting for you. If you found this tip helpful, you know what to do.